Greetings. My name is Jose Costa. I'm an associate professor in the College of Education at Penn State University. I'd like to welcome you to this series of workshops that are part of a larger work. I'm working towards establishing a research and action laboratory that is a place where research and activism happen as integrated scholarship for exterior to modernity theorizing about justice in education and activism. And that will be promoting Ubuntu as a philosophical source for works of justice and further establish Cosmo-uBuntu as a cross-disciplinary theory. It will also broaden and widen the application of Cosmo-uBuntu in justice work and identify and draw from corresponding theorizing in various geopolitical areas. The laboratory will provide students with co-publishing opportunities, build research and praxis, collaboration with faculty colleagues and communities of practice. It will also pursue major grants and seek to foster research and praxis collaborations with students, faculty, local communities in the Global South, starting with Global Africa. So the project comprises 3 phases that start with this workshop series entitled Ubuntu, Cosmo-uBuntu, and Anti-Racism, a multidisciplinary approach to justice in education. The first workshop will focus on technology, AI, and the arts. And the second workshop will focus on philosophy, theory, and praxis, in which pedagogy, social movements, and beyond will be included. And workshop 3 will focus on lifelong learning, adult education, and distance education. Following this workshop series, we will form and engage working groups as collaborative communities that will build on work that interests folks who join the working groups and intersects with the theme of this workshop series. So please join us in this work. And thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in the workshops and beyond that. Thank you.